Do you know that you don't have to have a high balance to qualify for energy assistance program? You can receive financial assistance towards your electric and heating utility bills if eligible. Check income eligibility before applying. You must be 18 and live in Montgomery County. We now have relaxed income guidelines for seniors. Here is how we can help. Assist you with a one-time benefit towards electric and/or heating costs. Prevent pending disconnection by placing a 55-day hold with the utility company until your application is processed with us. Pay up to $2,000 in arrears towards your electric or gas utility bill. We have multiple options to apply: by mail, in person, email and online. Please follow the link to apply online. Or, access the application here directly. To request an application by mail, please email us at. Please visit us at. Energy Assistance Program of Montgomery County is just steps away to lower costs of your utility bills. Refer your neighbor or family member to apply, and receive home energy kit free. Email us with your questions or request an application.